Welcome to Toulon, France, a Mediterranean port city where navy ships, seaside promenades, and Provençal charm meet. If your cruise docks here, you've just landed in a port that's often overlooked but packed with potential. Most cruise passengers rush off to the obvious Mediterranean hotspots, but here's what they're missing. Toulon offers authentic French experiences, stunning mountain views via cable car, and access to some of Provence's most beautiful villages, all without the crowds and inflated prices of its famous neighbours. I'm here with travel day trip ideas, and in this guide, we'll show you how to make the most of your day in Toulon. Whether you stay local and explore the town's highlights or head out into the beautiful Provence region nearby. We've also included links in the video description to our recommended local tours, often more affordable than cruise ship excursions and run by trusted providers who know how to work with cruise schedules. So grab a coffee and a croissant, and let's plan your perfect port day in Toulon. About Toulon, the authentic French Riviera. Toulon is a working port city and a major naval base on the southern coast of France, nestled between Marseille and Saint-Tropez. While it doesn't have the glamour of its neighbours, it makes up for it with authenticity, charm, and a gateway to Provence. You'll find a lively harbour, a colourful old town, bustling markets, and, if you're willing to go just a little further, vineyards, medieval villages, and some of France's most scenic landscapes. Here's what makes Toulon special. It's real France. This isn't a tourist-focused destination that's been polished for cruise passengers. It's a genuine French city where locals go about their daily lives, which means better prices, authentic experiences, and the chance to see how the French actually live. The cruise port. What to expect. Your cruise ship will dock in one of two places, and this is important to know for planning your day. La Sanary-sur-Mer. This is the more common docking spot for larger ships, located across the bay from Toulon's city centre. From here, you can take a 10-minute ferry or shuttle bus across the water to Toulon's port area. The ferry costs just €2 each way and gives you beautiful harbour views, much better than an expensive taxi ride around the bay. Toulon City Port. Some ships dock right in Toulon itself, which puts you just a short walk from the town centre. If you're lucky enough to dock here, you can be exploring within minutes of stepping off the ship. Either way, you'll have easy access to the main attractions, and both docking options are well serviced with local transport and tour pickup points. Top 5 things to see in Toulon. 1. Ride the cable car to Mont Faron. This is Toulon's signature experience, and for good reason. Take the cable car, or téléphérique du Faron, to the summit of Mont Faron, which offers panoramic views of the coast, the naval harbour, and distant mountain ranges. At the top, you'll find scenic walking trails and the Memorial Museum to the Allied landings in Provence, a small but moving tribute to World War II operations in the area. It's a great way to start your day with fresh air and unforgettable views. You can reach the cable car station by taking bus number 40 from the city centre. It's about a 20-minute ride and costs just €1.40. The cable car itself is €9 return, but here's a money-saving tip. Buy the €10 day pass that includes your bus rides and cable car. It's an absolute bargain. 2. Stroll the Old Town and visit the cathedral. Toulon's Old Town is compact, walkable, and filled with surprises. Start in Place Puget, where fountains bubble beneath shady plane trees, then wander the Rue des Arts, a pedestrian street full of galleries, boutiques, and cafes. Stop by the Toulon Cathedral, a blend of Romanesque and Baroque styles, and a peaceful spot to escape the heat. You'll find colourful shutters, street art, and small courtyards all over this area. it's a photographer's dream. The best part? It's all free to explore, and you'll get a genuine feel for French provincial life. 3. Explore the Harbour Promenade and Naval History Museum. Toulon is France's primary naval port, and the harbour area reflects that. Walk along the waterfront to spot giant navy ships docked beside luxury yachts. It's quite a sight. Visit the Musée National de la Marine to learn about Toulon's maritime history. It's small but well curated, with ship models, historical displays, and naval artefacts. Entry is €8 for adults, and it's worth every euro for history buffs. You can also join a boat tour of the harbour, which gives you a unique perspective on the scale and importance of Toulon's navy, and some great photo ops along the way. 4th, venture to Le Castellet or Sanary-sur-Mer. If you're up for a short trip beyond the city, consider booking a half-day local tour to Le Castellet, a picturesque medieval hilltop village with stone alleys, artisan shops, and sweeping countryside views. Or visit Sanary-sur-Mer, a charming fishing port with colourful boats, a relaxed vibe, and one of the prettiest seafront markets in Provence. Both destinations are reachable by tour or taxi, and we've linked some of our favourite guided options in the video description that work perfectly with cruise schedules. 5. Taste Provençal wines and scenery. Toulon is surrounded by the Côte de Provence wine region, known for its rosé wines, lavender fields, and rustic vineyards. Many local tours offer a wine tasting experience combined with scenic drives through the countryside, stops at family-owned wineries, and visits to olive groves or lavender farms. Even if you're not a wine expert, these tours give you a rich sense of Provence's landscape and traditions. Perfect for a relaxing, authentic afternoon. Getting around. Local transport tips. Ferries. If docked at La Seine-sur-Mer, the ferry is a fast and scenic ride into central Toulon, usually under 10 minutes for €2. Buses. Local buses are reliable and affordable. Routes are posted near the port and in town. The €3.90 daily pass covers ferries and buses if you plan to use public transport multiple times. Taxis, available at the port, though not cheap. Ideal if you're heading to Mont Faron or further afield. Mini trains and local tours. Great for easy sightseeing, especially if you want to avoid walking uphill or navigating on your own. Check the description for recommended tours that include transport and guides. Bonus: Toulon's best beaches and local finds. Want to relax seaside? Toulon offers some excellent nearby options. Plage de Mourillon, the city's most popular beach with calm waters, lifeguards and restaurants nearby. Anse Magot and Anse Maison, smaller, more secluded coves reachable by bus or taxi. These are quieter and feel more local. Don't miss the Cours Lafayette Market, open in the mornings near the harbour. It's one of the largest in Provence, selling everything from fresh fruit to lavender sachets and handmade soaps. Look for local specialties like Provençal herbs and spices, lavender products, artisan honey, French olive oil, and hand-painted ceramics. Great for gifts or a treat for yourself. Why cruise travellers love Toulon. Toulon may not be the most hyped Mediterranean port, but that's exactly its charm. It's authentic, affordable, and flexible. You can stay local and enjoy a laid-back French day, or venture just a little further for stunning views, charming villages, and world-class wine. Best of all, many of these experiences are easier and more affordable with small group local tours. No crowds, no sales pitches, just expert guides and memorable adventures. Thanks for joining us for this Travel Day Trip Ideas Guide to Toulon, France. If this video helped you plan your port day, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got cruise port guides dropping every week to help you travel smarter, save money, and explore more. Check out the video description below for all our recommended local tours, related guides and tips to help you get the most from your next cruise stop. These are hand-picked providers who understand cruise schedules and offer authentic experiences at fair prices. Wherever you're heading next, happy travels, and we'll see you in the next video.